In this video, we are going to know how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A02s by Boost Mobile. We are going to cover two different scenarios. The first one, if you have access to your phone and due to any reason you want to hard reset or factory reset your phone, then which steps you should follow. And in another scenario, if you have lock on the screen and you forgot the password, then which step you should do to remove that. So it's a short video. Stay connected till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's start with the first scenario in which you have access to your phone and due to any reason you want to hard reset, such as your phone is freezing, got virus in it. So which step you have to do? So two things you should keep in mind before to go for the hard reset in this scenario. If you have Gmail signed in your phone, you should know the password, because after resetting your phone is going to ask you. And if you don't know the password of that, then this is the time you can go inside the Gmail setting and remove it before to go hard resetting. The other thing, you have access to your phone. Any information you feel important to you, transfer it to another device, because you are going to lose it permanently. So let's do it. The phone has to be turned off for the hard resetting. Let's do it. Power off completely. Okay, two key combination, volume up and power button. Press and hold volume up and power button. Once you see Samsung logo, you should release the power button. Release the power button and keep holding the volume up until you get into the recovery mode. Okay, so let me zoom in. Okay, use volume down key and wipe data factory reset. To select that option, press power button one time. Volume down key, press power button, and data wipe is completed. Now it's asking you to reboot the system. Press power button one time. So now you're gonna restart from the initial setup, like you turn on your phone first time. It's gonna take a little time. I will pause the video, and once it's completed, then I will show you guys how to do the hard reset in the other scenario. Now let's do the other scenario in which you have lock on the screen and you forgot the password. So in this case, if you want to turn off your phone, it's not gonna let you turn off either. Gonna keep asking you the password. So any information you have inside the phone, you're gonna lose it. You don't have access to transfer. And any Gmail you have signed in, now you should know the password. It is going to ask you after resetting. So two steps. A first step, we're gonna press and hold volume down and power button. Once you feel the vibration, then you're gonna release the volume down and hold the volume up while keep holding the power button. So let's do it. Volume down and power button. Press and hold. Wait until it vibrates. Okay, it's vibrating. Now I'm holding volume up and power button. Now once you see the Samsung logo, you can release the volume, the power key, and keep holding the volume up. Okay, now this is the recovery mode. So over here is the same process like you did in the first scenario. Volume down key, wipe data or factory reset, power button, factory reset, power button select. Okay, data wipe is completed. Now it's asking you to reboot the system. Press power button. So that's all. Your phone gonna turn on from initial setup. So you're gonna take a little time for that process. So that's all. If you have watched my video till now, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you guys can get my upcoming videos. So till then, take care of yourself and my channel.